L'on a incendié des maisons, bon, on a tiré par machette, hache, bon, on a incendié par des faits, mais il n'y a pas eu crépitement de balles.
Ndio balianza kusema bageni tulipoanza tunaanza kuangalia tusalimia tu tukasema tusalimia nasema ndio tu bakasema nyinyi wote mtokee Mungu nasema problemu ni nini tunaanza tu watu wa mzuri ndio bakapata na kota na kunisukuma nje na kunikamateleza na kunikoa na kunidunga na kitu na kunikakata
ADF rebels killed 19 civilians again yesterday. The fundamentalist ADF rebels are based in the eastern DRC. They also claimed that 19 civilians were killed in the mockery. The killing took place in Beni territory in Kilindela area 6 kilometers from Chondo, where ADF fighters took cover on the night of March 11, 2023 and spent the night among the residents, killing about 19 people with knives and machetes. Among those killed, there were mainly women and children from the same family, where they were attacked by these rebels who found them in the house where they lived in the Beni area and killed them. These ADF fighters, who also burned down a health center and a hotel located in the area, immediately took their way back to where they came from without anyone hurting them. This happens while in the eastern part of the DRC, especially in the Beni area, there has been a joint military operations between the Ugandan UPDF and the Democratic Republic of the Congo FARDC in the name of Operation Shuja, aims to hunt down and eradicate this group. So far, however, many continue to criticize Operation Shuja due to the fact that the ADF continues to kill civilians, kidnapping, and other brutal activities in the eastern part of the DRC, particularly in the Beni area of North Kivu and Ituri province.